My name is Anna Kowal-Żelezik and I'm the head of implementation at SINGU. My role is to ensure a smooth and efficient onboarding process for our clients, helping them transition seamlessly to our platform. The core responsibilities of my team include guiding clients through the implementation process, collecting and migrating the data into the system, configuring the environment to fit their needs, conducting comprehensive training sessions, and ensuring a successful production launch. We work closely with each client to make sure their team is fully prepared to use SINGU effectively. Strategic implementation is absolutely critical to the customer experience. A well-structured implementation ensures that users are not just given a tool, but are empowered to use it effectively from day one. At SINGU, we tailor our approach to each client's needs, ensuring they have the right training, support, and integration with their existing workflows. This helps them realize value faster and seamlessly adopt the platform into their daily operations. One of the biggest challenges during implementation is collecting and structuring the necessary data to properly configure the system. Every client has unique requirements, and ensuring that the platform is tailored to their specific needs is crucial for long-term success. Successful implementation doesn't just set the foundation, it directly influences the long-term success of any CAFM solution. A well-executed onboarding ensures that the system is adopted properly, integrated seamlessly with existing processes, and fully utilized by end users. This is especially important in the real estate and property management industry, where efficiency, automation, and compliance are key. A poor implementation can lead to inefficiencies, data gaps, and lost productivity, but a strong implementation, like the one we deliver at SINGU, empowers organizations to optimize their operations, enhance decision-making, and maximize their return on investment. At the end of the day, implementation is more than just setup. It's about ensuring success. My team and I are committed to making sure every client not only gets started with SINGU, but thrives with it.